Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting Apple events of the year, the WWDC 2024 keynote. This year's event was packed with groundbreaking announcements, especially around AI. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into the highlights. First up, let's talk about Vision Pro. Apple has introduced visionOS 2.0 just a few months after the initial release of Vision Pro. Now, it might seem quick to call this a 2.0 update, as it feels more like a 1.2, but there are some solid new features. For instance, there's a new wrist turn gesture to quickly see the time and battery percentage. Plus, you can jump right into the control center with ease. This is a significant upgrade from having to look up at the ceiling every time, much like the Oculus Quest. Vision Pro also brings immersive media features to the table. You can now go through your old photos and use advanced machine learning to turn them into spatial photos. Imagine reliving your memories in 3D. Plus, there are new tools for creating spatial and immersive videos, not just with iPhones but with other cameras too. This could be a game changer for how we experience media, though it's still best viewed on a Vision Pro. Another big update is the improved Mac mirroring on Vision Pro. Thanks to Fiat rendering on the Mac, we now get way more resolution, up to double the previous amount. Imagine a gigantic ultra-wide display with plenty of room for all your windows and activities. This makes multitasking on Vision Pro even more efficient and enjoyable. Now, let's move on to iOS 18, which has received one of the most interesting updates in recent years. For all you Android users out there, bear with us for a moment. iPhone users can finally place icons wherever they want on the home screen grid. This feature even received a round of applause during the keynote. But it doesn't stop there. Apple has introduced a new theme engine, allowing you to change the color of every icon and widget to match your wallpaper. This customization is something we've seen on Android for years, but it's great to see Apple catching up. The new customization options are extensive. You can create a home screen that truly reflects your personality, but be warned, not all combinations look good. Some users have already shared their custom home screens on social media, and let's just say, results vary. The ability to change all icons at once is a nice touch, though, and Apple's efforts in redesigning the control center for full customization are commendable. Beyond customization, iOS 18 brings several other noteworthy features. You can now hide apps inside your app drawer, making it easier to keep certain apps private. Scheduled text messages in iMessage are finally here, along with text formatting and messages via satellite. The Photos app has been redesigned, and there's a new game mode that minimizes background activity and Bluetooth latency. These updates make the iPhone experience more seamless and enjoyable. Apple Watch users, there's something for you too. watchOS has introduced a new training mode that balances your training trends over time. It evaluates how hard a workout was versus how hard it could have been, helping you optimize your fitness routine. This feature, along with the existing health tracking capabilities, makes the Apple Watch an even more powerful tool for fitness enthusiasts. Apple TV also got some cool updates. Now, you can swipe down on the remote at any point during a show to see all the actors and character names on the screen, along with any song that's playing in real time. There's also a feature that boosts people's voices so you can hear them clearly over the background music. These small but significant improvements enhance your viewing experience. For iPad users, iPadOS 18 brings all the great features of iOS 18, plus a few unique ones. One standout feature is the new Calculator app. Yes, you heard that right, a calculator app. But this isn't just any calculator. With the Apple Pencil, you can write down equations, and the app will understand and solve them in real time. You can even adjust variables, and the answers will update automatically. This makes the iPad a powerful tool for students and professionals alike. Mac users, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you. macOS Sequoia brings automatic window snapping, built-in backgrounds for apps using the webcam feed, and a new standalone password app. But perhaps the most exciting feature is iPhone mirroring, allowing you to wirelessly see and interact with your iPhone on your Mac. This seamless integration makes multitasking and managing notifications much easier. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, Apple Intelligence. Apple's AI features have been rebranded as Apple Intelligence, bringing new generative models to supported devices. For example, you can use writing tools to summarize or rewrite text in Pages or Keynote. The Magic Eraser tool in the Photos app can remove unwanted objects from your photos. And if you've ever wished for an emoji that doesn't exist, you can now create your own using generative models. Siri has also received a major upgrade. Using large language models, Siri now understands context better and provides more natural responses. Later this year, Siri will even be able to pull information from and take actions within apps for you. Plus, there's a new full-screen animation when you trigger Siri, making the experience more visually appealing. You can now type to Siri instead of speaking out loud, which is a nice touch for those quiet moments. A big question on everyone's mind is privacy. Apple has made it clear that most AI processing happens on-device, ensuring your data stays private. For more complex tasks, Apple uses private cloud compute, meaning your data is never stored or sent to Apple. If you want to use ChatGPT for specific tasks, Apple will ask for your permission every time, ensuring you have control over your data. This commitment to privacy sets Apple apart in the AI landscape. So, there you have it, the highlights from Apple's WWDC 2024 keynote. It's clear that Apple is making big moves in AI, and we can't wait to see how these features enhance our daily lives. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. We're constantly working to improve our content and build a community where we can all share and learn. Your support and feedback mean the world to us. Catch you in the next video.